Okay guys, we got a 24 valve Cummins here, and I looked everywhere online. I didn't see anything, so I want to make a quick video of the routing of the fuel lines. So on the engine, from the front of the engine, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the pump, if you're looking at the back view of it, so I'm looking literally in the back view right here at the lines. I'm starting at the bottom of the pump is number 1. And your firing order is 153624. So each line, that's the direction you want it to go. I just didn't see anything online, so I wanted to make this for anybody that could use it because I needed it as well. So when you're putting those fuel lines back on, they should go right back into their home just as easy as they came out. But if you do get one twisted out or twisted up, then the back of the pump. So now I'm looking like I'm sitting down inside here looking that direction at the pump. The bottom, start there with your firing order, and that's your fuel line, 153624. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.